Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing. This is the Mattel 80th Replay Classics Hot Wheels set. When we actually did an unboxing of the Matchbox Collections Replay Classics set the last time. But this is a Zimac set of 7 cars, as you can see here. So we've got a Firebird up here, a 67 Camaro. We've got the Bel Air Gasser, a Beetle, the Drag Beetle. And then we've got an old school 2000 GT Toyota, the 935 Porsche, and the 300 SL. That might be my favorite of the set, or the Firebird. So we'll get these out and take a look at them. The box all the way around here so you can see. So they've got the list on the side. And we've got all the cars back here. And then the 2000 GT on that side, the Beetle on the top, nothing on the bottom. All right, open this guy up. So there they are. I think we'll just go in order from top to bottom. So let's start with the Firebird. So, the big 80 on the side, the Firebird on the hood is in red, and has the nice red lined wheels. That's kind of cool. And it is the T-top. So the T-top's already cut out, so that's cool. Yeah, a pretty cool casting there, guys. It doesn't say what year it is on the bottom, it just says Hot Bird. But as we can tell, that's a 70s model of some kind. Not sure what year. So it didn't actually say it on the box for that one. Give this one a little spin here. All right, next one we'll go with the 67 Camaro here. Let's see what that casting looks like. So 80 decal on the side. Not sure if I'm that big of a fan of that wheel selection. Do like the red graphic on the front around there. And as you can see, really tiny there, guys. Camaro. The Camaro with the flags on the fender. And this is a little custom. They actually got the side pipes coming out the side there. And this one actually, guys, has an opening hood. That's like old school Camaro Hot Wheels that they used to do back in the day. So, yeah, pretty cool casting. Let's see if it tells us what year this one is. No. It actually doesn't say Camaro any. Oh, there it does. Right there, 67 Camaro. All right, we'll spin that one. All right, next up is the Gasser. 55 Bel Air. I think that says Jusky. Juske right there. Gasser. Hot Wheels Garage. Got the full engine view there. Not big into the gassers, but this one's kind of cool. All right, time for the drag beetle. Now that is a wing on that thing, guys. Check out the size of the all-metal wing. The pipes coming out the side. Quite a bit of decal on this one. Red on the hood, big red decal on the side. Check out the blower. Just think if that thing was in real life, that thing would be a beast. Got the wheelie bar in the back, parachutes. Pretty cool. Oh, guys, check that out. I didn't even know it did that. Total funny car, man. Okay, now I like this one way more. That is cool. That is super cool, guys. We're gonna have to spin that with the top up for sure. All right, guys, here is the Toyota 2000 GT. The front end of that thing, that is a long front end, guys. Don't know if this car ever came to the United States back in the day. I've never seen any running around in car shows or anything like that. Doesn't say what year it's from. I'm guessing late 60s or 70s. All right, guys, time for the Porsche 935. So it doesn't say if this is the old 935 or the new style. I'd have to get my newer 935 out to tell for sure, but either way, it looks like a 935. The red wheels are kind of cool. I think that's the, well, I guess there are two. The Mercedes has red wheels as well. I like the Porsche on the wing there, that's cool. If you look close, it's got the Porsche logo on the side there. With the little Hot Wheels logo as well. All right, guys, last but not least, the 300 SL. Digging that one. Gull wing. Now, that would be cool if the doors actually opened, right? Another one with the red wheels. Front end looks really good on that one. It's even got cast mirrors there on the fenders. Mercedes logo on the hood, or trunk. Yeah, I really dig that one. All right, guys, that's the 80 Mattel Replay Classics Hot Wheels unboxing, the Zimacs. Got them all unboxed for you. I'm going to go with number 1. My favorite is the 300 SL. Number 2 is the Firebird. And then this one, guys, I did not think that one was going to be one of my top 3, but that opening body just did it for me. That drag bug is super cool. They're all pretty cool, but those are my top 3. Let me know in the comments which ones you guys like best. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next hunt video. Have a good one.